Wow, here it is. Mid-April. 2 inches of snow. Wow, here in Boring, Oregon. Wow. This is bizarre. Freaky weather. Unbelievable. Over an inch of snow in mid-April. I don't think we've ever had even maybe a dusting of snow in early March. And here we are, April. Bizarre. Some of the flakes coming down are quite big. Just once in a while there'll be a big fat flake. But this means the air is bitter cold. I think it's 2 inches. Almost 2 inches. Amazing. What is it? You think that's cool? Look at that. Wow, and it's still snowing. Wow, we got 2 inches of snow. Wow. Okay. Sleep in.